What is going on? This is your boy DeVintage, man. Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you guys for clicking on this video and tuning in to the best sneaker of 2020, hands down, man. I was in deliberation with myself. I was thinking, man, it's a couple sneakers coming out that's some heavy hitters that everybody wants to go back and get, which you're going to get to in this video. But this one, hands down for me, is the sneaker of 2020. You guys can let me know right now down below what you think the best sneaker of 2020 is, so we can get some conversation going. I feel like this video is going to be very good for everybody, especially for the vintage gang, so we can get a lot of discussion going on down below in the comment section, man. So let me know right now what you think the best sneaker of 2020 is right now down below. But if you're new to the channel right now, what I need you guys to do is subscribe right now, ring the notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video that drops on the channel, and smash that like button. You guys already know the vibes that happens on the channel. 300 likes, that's the goal, and you guys have been crushing it. I appreciate all the love, support. All the merch that we had today is completely gone. I appreciate everybody for going out and supporting your boy, copping some merch for the channel. When you get your hats in, please tag me in a picture and I will definitely throw it back up on my story, because it's really humbling. It's really dope that you guys, you know, come out and go the extra miles to support your boy, man. It means so much. It's just crazy, man. Like I said, I thank you guys for everything you do for me and the support you guys show on the YouTube channel. So with that being said, I have some more merch in the works. I got some more ideas I want to come out and show you guys. So stay tuned. Always have a notification bell on, and make sure you follow me at DeVintage World down below in the description box for all the updated details on future merch that drops on the channel. So all that being said, man, let's jump right into the best sneaker of 2020 and let's get this debate going, man. Let's get it. All right, I finally got these things in from Nike. You guys probably already know what they are. You guys know how much I've been harping on this shoe, how much I've been hyping this shoe up for myself, because it was so dope that I could hit on them early. And I got another pair from the sneakers app via the shock drop. You guys already know what it is. So let's go ahead and get into this thing, man. Like I said, this shoe, I got offered this shoe $100 like 3 years ago to cop it. It was very near DS, and I was like, nah, I'm cool on that. And now that I was able to bring it to the channel, my YouTube channel, bring you guys an early review, bring you guys early on foot, it just meant so much more. And we was on a live stream when we copped these joints. We gave you guys details, we gave you guys tips on the shock drop that happened on these shoes, and we got a lot of W's in the chat, man. So let's go ahead and pull these things out. You guys already know what it is. Check it out, man. We see that silver box with the red jump, man, up top. Let's pull them out. Let's throw the box out the way. One thing I want to point out is Nike does not put the receipt in a box anymore. I don't know what's up with that, but here you have it. Let's read the official colorway, the name, Air Jordan 13 Retro. Fish colorway is navy and university blue, and these retail for $190. Now let's go down to half a size in my 13s, and you guys already know what it is. Go ahead and pull these things out. The best sneaker of 2020. Drum roll please, vintage gang. Let's get it. Peel it open and bam! Check them out. Check them out. The Flint 13s, my favorite shoe of 2020. I was so happy when they brought these back out, and as soon as I got the word that they was gonna be dropping these, I was all over it, man. That story just came back in my mind like, dang, this is a shoe that I've been wanting for years, like 7-8 years plus that I wanted this shoe. And now that they finally brought it back out, it just meant so much more for me to cop it and to show the vintage game, man. But here you have it, the Flint 13s. If you guys have not checked out the review and on feet over these 13s, you gotta go check it out. I'm gonna leave a card up here, and I will link the review and on feet down below in the description box so you guys can check it out. We still got a week before the actual release over these, and I'm still excited. I might get another pair. Right now, yeah, I just smelled it, my bad. But right now the resale is not going too crazy. This shoe is not about resale for me. It is about the story behind them. This is about the shoe that I've been wanting for years when I cannot afford sneakers. I'm not trying to get sentimental about the thing, but you guys should already know the story. If you watch my past Flint 13 videos, you watch the shock drop live streams or anything like that, you guys know I've been wanting to shoe for years now. And somebody offered me this shoe for $100, and I was like a little sketched out. Maybe I should have copped back then, but I didn't. And now we have the reflective 2020 Flint 13s, man. It's just so crazy, man. I know a young buck coming in the game, they're like, bro, why are you so hyped about this shoe? It's the simple fact is that I couldn't afford it back in the day, and now your boy got another pair. It's just super dope, man. I want to give you guys inspiration. I know it's a couple of subscribers out there like telling me I can't afford every shoe. It's all good. I was the same way, I promise you guys, but keep working, keep grinding for what you want, and you will definitely get anything you want in life, man. I promise y'all, I've been promoting that since I started the channel, man. Positivity and inspiration, guys. You don't have to go out there and steal. You don't gotta go out there and rob nobody or anything like that. You can go and grind and get your own stuff, man. Just watch the channel. I try to give you guys as much inspiration I can, as much motivation, and I know I'm out there touching a lot of people with these videos, man. So that's why I will never stop doing this. I'm gonna keep dropping these videos for you guys to show you my sneaker pickups, my sneaker journey, as long as I'm on, you know what I'm saying, the planet Earth, you feel me? So I know it's a lot of stuff going on with this coronavirus, but me dropping these videos, me getting a lot of feedback, me talking to people that, you know what I'm saying, can't afford every single shoe, is still dope at the end of the day. I know I'm out there touching somebody, man. So I appreciate everybody for pulling up to every video, man. But back to these Flint 13s, you guys see them, just some beauties. They just beautiful. Take a moment to just check them out, man. You got the all 3M uppers. If you guys do not know, the 2000 and was it 15 or 13, I forget, or 2010, they did not have the reflective hit on the upper, but this joint do. Like I said, if you want to check out the full review, I'm gonna link it down below so you can go check out their own feet. Super crispy on feet, I must say. And I don't know why a lot of people hate on this sneaker, man. I know a lot of people say, why is it so hyped? Why is a lot of people going crazy for these? And for me, like I said, you heard my story. Like, I couldn't afford them back then, but now I can. So I'm definitely, this is definitely a shoe I'm keeping, man. Like the Fire Red 5. That's a shoe that I've seen a lot of people have back in the day. Couldn't afford it. My mom couldn't afford it. So it was a no-brainer for me to go back and get 2 pairs, just for the simple fact that I was able to do it. And the sneaker is just super fire, man. But here you have it, Flint 13, and the quality on this joint is just immaculate, man. I just, maybe I'm being biased because I really love this shoe and I really wanted it. But then again, maybe it's a lot more people out there that really enjoy this shoe as well, man. Just a shoe that will never leave the collection, a shoe that will get a lot of wears out of, and definitely throw some dope fit pics on the gram for you guys. So you gotta go follow me at DeVintage World down below on IG. I got some more stuff that came in from Fashion Nova, man. Shouts out to Fashion Nova, man, for collaborating with me on all the future lookbooks I have dropping on the channel. So if you need a little bit of inspiration about how to rock your sneakers with your outfits, just tune into the videos that I'm dropping for you guys. I'm gonna try to do one at least every 2 weeks, so you had to have the notification bell on so you know what to rock with certain sneakers, man. But yeah, man, the debate today is the best sneaker of 2020. That's like a strong title. I know a lot of people like, hold on, do he got the Fire Red 4s? Do he have like a Travis Scott or something like that? But no, man, it's the Flint 13s. And I want to get you guys' opinion on what you think is the best sneaker to release of 2020. You got some Yeezys, some dope Yeezys coming out. You got some dope foam posits coming out. You got a lot of dope sneakers coming out in 2020. So it is really up for debate. I know a lot of people might throw in the Fear of Gods for the best sneaker to release in 2020. I want you guys to let me know what you think it is down below in the comment section so we can get this debate going. For me, I'm gonna keep it 100, man. The Flint 13s for me, hands down, is a sneaker of the year. And a shoe that was kind of like close to this shoe was the Fire Red 4s, but I'm like, hold on, these joints, I really been wanting these for a long time. So the Fire Red 4s is kind of like, it's no shoe that I have seen on the release calendar. The rumored releases, there's nothing that's topping this Flint 13, just for the simple fact that I really wanted this shoe for years, and for me to have it now, it's just a no-brainer for me to say it's sneaker of the year. I hear a lot of different people on IG, a lot of different people on YouTube say this is a sneaker of the year. I'm not basing my opinion off of theirs. Just for me, you guys heard the story. Hey, that's why this is my favorite, the best sneaker of 2020. So yeah, man, let me know down below what you think the best sneaker of 2020 is. I appreciate everybody for pulling up to this video, checking out this unboxing straight from the Nike SNKRS app. I hit on the Nike SNKRS app via the shock drop, and we went live that day, and I thought I took an L, man. Go watch that live stream. You're gonna see how I took an L. I didn't get any God message. All I got was a charge from Nike. I'm like, hold on, maybe I did hit. I didn't get 2-day shipping, but I didn't have the shoe for 2 days now. So you guys, make sure you watch all the how to cop videos, because I'm really out there trying to drop knowledge for you guys on copping every single release that might be interesting to a lot of sneakerheads out there in the community. Subscribe if you have not subscribed already to the channel. ring the notification bell so you never miss another video that drops on the channel. Follow me over on IG at DeVintage World, will be linked down below so you can have all the updates on future merch that drops on the channel. Like I said, we sold out of every single hat that I had to offer you guys, man. I really do appreciate it. It just has me speechless to this point that you guys went out there and killed the merch, and now that they are sold out completely. Like the video, the goal for every video is 300 likes, you guys already know. And with all that being said, let me know down below what you think the best sneaker of 2020 is, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.